Hi, this is Sean Matthew from seanmatthewk.wixsite.com/mainframehard1. In our previous video, I gave you all an introduction to HTML. This is the part 2 of the HTML tutorial. We will learn some HTML basics in this video. You can send suggestions for our next tutorial at seanmatthew.k@gmail.com. HTML basics. HTML basics includes tags or elements and attributes. We will use tags and elements and attributes in our upcoming videos. And today I will also give you the comparison of elements and attributes. I will also show you how to create an HTML project in Notepad and in Visual Studio 2019. Elements and attributes. An HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content, and an end tag. But some HTML elements are empty, such as to insert an image we need a tag which is an empty tag and it does not have any content in it. It defines attributes and the information of the tag is provided by attributes, and it does not have an end tag. Attributes provide additional information about an HTML tag. Structure of an HTML element is like this: a tag name, content, and a closing tag. Closing tag always starts with a slash, forward slash, not back one. But empty elements are not like this. It contains tag name and sometimes includes attributes. To insert an image, we need an attribute called SRC, source full form of that. So all HTML elements can have attributes. We will learn about attributes after we learn about some elements. In our next video, we will provide information about tags or elements. But first, let's finish the rough comparison between elements and attributes. Example of an element is body, in which the web browser's content is written. Body tag, in the body tag. So attributes are always specified in start tag. If body, this one is the start tag, and if we want to include an attribute in it, then have a space, then write the attribute name and its value. So let's create an HTML file using Notepad. So let's go to run. we will open directly. I have already opened it. Then let's go to documents. Let's just create a sample one. So you can press the Alt key. You can look. Then go to the Tools tab. Then Folder Options. View tab. Then in the Files and Folders menu, after Hidden Files and Folders, you should have 3 checkboxes. Hide empty drives in the computer folder, hide extensions for non-file types, hide protected operating system files. In this, you have to uncheck the second one, hide extensions for non-file types. Then click on apply, then click on OK. Then you can look that everything has an extension. So let's go to new, then create a text document, and let's name it demo dot html. Then you will get an information about renaming. If you change a file name extension, the file might become unusable. Are you sure you want to change it? Then click on yes. And the Chrome is the default browser of an HTML file. So let's open with, you can choose any one of your editors. If you want none of this, then you can click on choose default program. Then you will see some recommended programs, and if you want some more programs, then click on other programs. Then you will see many of them. So Adobe and Microsoft Word, WordPad, and many more. If you want to open with Notepad, then you can open it with Notepad, but I prefer with WordPad. So let's open it with WordPad. And this is the HTML file, but it does not contain any of the tags or elements or attributes. That's because we created a text document. So let's go back to File Explorer and look what's the problem. You can look that if we open this and take another one. So let's take a bitmap image and name it new bitmap image dot html. And when you open it, nothing happens. But in some cases, you would see some unrecognized text in this. So I'm preferring in doing with Notepad or WordPad. I am doing with WordPad. Okay, so let's write some tags. HTML. This is the starting tag. But if you are using an HTML5 file, then you can create an HTML5 file by the doc type declaration.